folks, JD here, and this week we've got all of this stuff. Now, if you've asked me for any quadcopters as part of the subscriber requested videos, then I've had all but one have come in, so hopefully they're going to be leaking out into the channel again starting next week. If you've asked me for any vehicles to get in, I'll be putting those orders through next week. So that's just to keep you abreast of what's happening there. So we've got a couple of things. We've got the eSheen goggles that I said as part of the mailbag video the other day. We're going to have a little bit of an in-depth look into that. The plane, I broke it, so we're going to fix that. And then I've got an idea in order to get a nice little FPV camera on top of that plane as well. There's loads of stuff happening, loads and loads of stuff happening. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy. I hope this is something that you're going to like. So as for this week now, we have got, as you can probably see hitting at the side of my face, we've got some sun. For the first time in about 3 weeks, we've had some sun, and all of this week is meant to be beautiful. So I hope that is going to be the case on the weekend, so I can get back out and I can fly a load of stuff. So there we are, folks. I hope you all have a great week. Thanks ever so much for watching, tuning in, and if you've got any questions, or if you just want to have a chat, then hit us up. Alright then, folks. So I shall see you very, very shortly. Take care. Happy flying.